Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Chaincrops Airdrop, and just as you know, those other Telegram airdrops such as Notcoin or TapSwap, this one is not a separate one. Okay, it's just the same thing. Just as you know you mine Notcoin, just as you know you mine TapSwap, just as Dogecoin, you can see this other one, Chaincrops, is still the same thing. You just, you tap on the coin as you see it here, and you keep tapping it and tapping it till you exhaust the 2000 taps which they have given to you. Okay, so this is a coin that was built under the Solana system. It was built under the Solana system, and it is an airdrop presently ongoing on Telegram. All right, and you might be asking, is this airdrop, has it lasted for long, or is still a current something? It was actually launched, the Telegram bot was actually launched on the 11th of May. Okay, so 11th of May, that was when it started. So you are still early to the game. You just have to leverage on this opportunity right now. You have to check the description section of this video, and then you get the link there. Make sure you click on that link, register, and start mining now. Okay, and then the second thing, which is very important, which I don't like you guys are doing, you guys are not giving my videos like. Just make sure you drop a like, encourage our channel so that our channel can still go further, and then bring more updates on how to make money online, bring more legit airdrops, so that everybody will be happy and everybody will benefit from the opportunity. All right, so after registration, all you just have to do is to keep clicking, tapping. Keep tapping until you have exhausted 2000 taps. All right, 2000 taps. Make sure you exhaust every single thing. Now, some people might be asking, or some people might be wondering, this seems not to be true, but I thank God that many of you witnessed what happened with Notcoin. You know, when people were tapping, people were like, are you sure this thing used to work? But now you have seen that it actually works. So make sure you also take this opportunity very serious. In fact, I have already advised most of the people I know, and I'm still going to say it right on this video. If you know what is good for you, and you know you want to plan yourself the best way you can, I'll advise you get a book, or you just have to write it down or note it down somewhere. Make sure you get a book and write down all the airdrops that you are participating in. If there are 50, write all of them down. If there are 100, write all of them down and take all of them serious. So make sure you jot down every of the airdrops that you are participating in, and make sure you are going to take it like very serious, because if you participated in like 50 airdrops, and then certainly there are airdrops, there is no guarantee that all of them might be legit. That's another thing. So out of 50 that you participated in, let's just say that 30 is legit, 20 is not legit. Then out of that 20, you just have to be very serious, add your resilience, and then let's say out of that 30, each of them you made something like 500,000 naira. Okay, so out of that 30, you might be seeing something like up to 15 million naira, up to 10 million naira, or even 5 million naira. Personally, I've seen a man that said, that gave a testimony that he made his first $10,000 from airdrops. So don't think this is actually a joke. You know, the bull run is already around the corner, and you just have to take every airdrops that you see very seriously, because it is going to make another set of millionaires. So make sure you keep clicking, make sure you keep tapping, make sure you keep doing them, take them very very serious. Whether you are thinking if it's going to be legit or if it's not going to be legit, that one is not for you, but just make sure you are going to be serious. Make sure that your name is going to be there once it is being launched. Okay, make sure you are just going to be there. So this is just it. You keep tapping until you exhaust the 2000 clicks. But I won't be doing that exactly right here in this video. I'll just have to stop this video. Whenever I'm through with this video, I'll have to continue. So after that, after you have exhausted it, make sure you keep coming back to click on it and keep accumulating your points. Now you can see right over here, you can see your referral link. So this referral link now, all you have to do is to copy it and share it with your family and friends, so that every of them can also come and benefit from this opportunity. Whenever it's going to be listed, them too, they are also going to benefit. And except from that, you are also going to get referral that's referral bonus for inviting them into the opportunity. So that's it. Then if you click right over here, it's still the same thing. That is where you can monitor the people that you invited. You can see it here. That's plus 500 points for each person that you refer. All right, so for each person that you refer, you get 500 points. And then from the tax section, I don't have to explain much right over here if you are not new to these airdrops, because from the tax section, all you just have to do is to do all the tasks here in order to get more points. Each of them have a price tag of plus 500 points. Okay, so this other one now, it says follow free crops on Telegram, you get 500 points. Follow them, follow meme world guru on Telegram, you get 500 points. Then follow on okay, connect your Solana wallet, you get 500 points. Follow them on Instagram, on YouTube, on just all these social handles. You are just going to see the taxes here. So make sure you cool down and do all of them in order to claim these 500 points. All right. So remember that your points is your power. So each time you keep claiming these points, know that you are getting money, you are summing your money. So make sure you are going to take your time to do these airdrops. And even as you have listed all of them, just make sure you number, you are going to know the time that you are going to be coming back in order to perform these activities. Just make sure you take everything serious here. Okay, this new innovation about Telegram having an ecosystem that accommodates coins, coin airdrops, is still very new. All right, so make sure you are going to also leverage on this opportunity. It won't pass you, because very soon it might become saturated, and people might not make money from it again. So it's still very new. Make sure you are going to be among those people that are going to benefit from it earlier. So this is it about Chaincrops. Just as I told you earlier, if you want to register, you just check the description section of this video and register and start mining. Keep mining, continue mining. Don't care if people are going to tell you if this airdrop is legit or is not legit or is not going to pay well. Don't care about that. Just do it. Keep doing it and continue doing it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If in case you have any questions, you can drop it on the comment section, and I'll also advise and recommend you join our social handles, Telegram and WhatsApp, so that you are not going to miss out on any of our updates. If you want the links are available on the description section of this video. So you just have to join them. You just have to join us and keep yourself updated. And very, very important, make sure you give this video a like. I'll appreciate it a lot as you give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, you can also subscribe now and also turn on the notification so that anytime we drop any new updates or any new video, you are going to be notified. Thank you guys and stay blessed.